Hello business astronauts, welcome to yet another multiversal exploration. In today's video, we are going to share with you 7 amazing ways to earn $10,000 per month in 2023. If you are looking for new financial opportunities, then stay tuned as these strategies can help you reach your goals. Let's go. 1. Digital entrepreneurship. In digital entrepreneurship, strategies are essential to achieve expressive results. Among them, we can highlight content marketing, which involves creating and sharing relevant content to attract and engage the target audience. In addition, SEO, search engine optimization, is essential to position a business well in search engines, increasing its online visibility. Social networks also play a crucial role, allowing direct interaction with customers and building a strong brand. Another promising strategy is the partnership with digital influencers who have great power to influence their audience. Market research is an indispensable step for any digital entrepreneur. It involves analyzing trends, identifying consumer needs, and understanding market behavior. Through research tools and methods such as competitor analysis, market research, and keyword analysis, you can make informed decisions and develop more efficient strategies. The survey makes it possible to identify opportunities, anticipate demands, and create innovative solutions, key elements for success in digital entrepreneurship. When we talk about digital entrepreneurship, we cannot fail to mention some inspiring examples of American entrepreneurs who have achieved success globally. One of them is Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, who revolutionized e-commerce and built an empire from a simple online bookstore. Another example is Mark Zuckerberg, creator of Facebook, one of the largest social networks in the world, which connects billions of people and has transformed the way we relate and share information. And let's not forget Elon Musk, founder of Tesla and SpaceX, companies that are leading innovation in the automotive and space industries, respectively. These entrepreneurs are examples of vision, boldness, and ability to turn ideas into successful businesses. 2. Smart investments. There are several investment strategies available in the financial market. One of them is investing in stocks, which offers the possibility of becoming a shareholder in a company and participating in its results. Another strategy is to invest in mutual funds, which bring together funds from different investors to invest in different financial assets. Real estate is also an interesting option, as it offers the opportunity for income through rentals and the possibility of appreciation. And, of course, we cannot fail to mention cryptocurrencies, which have gained prominence in recent years as an alternative form of investment. Each strategy has its characteristics and risks, so it is important to understand each one well before making decisions. In the investment world, doing research and seeking knowledge is essential to making informed decisions and reducing risk. It is important to understand how each investment strategy works, to study the markets in which you want to invest, and to be up to date on trends and news. In addition, it is essential to know the investor profile, define clear objectives, and establish a long-term strategy. Research and knowledge are the basis for making informed decisions and taking advantage of opportunities that arise in the financial market. Diversifying investments is a key strategy to reduce risk and maximize returns. By distributing investments in different assets and asset classes, it is possible to mitigate the negative impact of possible losses in a given sector. In addition, it is important to emphasize that investments are subject to risks, and it is essential to consult a financial professional before making any decision. A specialized professional can help in choosing the best investment options according to the profile and objectives of each investor, providing a more comprehensive and grounded view. 3. Sale of products or services online. In the online world, there are different options to sell your products or services. E-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento offer a ready-made structure for creating virtual stores, facilitating the process of selling and managing products. In addition, Marketplaces such as Amazon and Mercado Libre allow you to reach a wide audience, leveraging the visibility and trust already established by these platforms. And if you are looking for greater autonomy and personalization, having your own website can be an excellent option. Each of these alternatives has its advantages and characteristics, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your business. One of the keys to success in online sales is offering quality products or services. In the digital environment, competition is fierce and reputation is built based on customer experience. Therefore, invest in high-quality products, ensuring that they meet your customers' expectations. In addition, offer exceptional service, respond quickly and solve any problems efficiently. Remember that customer satisfaction is critical to your business growth. 4. Freelancer or remote work. One of the main advantages of working as a freelancer is flexibility. You can choose your projects, set your hours and work from wherever you want. In addition, there is the possibility of having greater control over your career and working with different clients and projects, which can provide constant learning and expansion of your skills. In the case of remote work, you eliminate the need to commute to an office every day, saving time and transportation costs. This flexibility of time and location is one of the main attractions of freelance or remote work. 5. Digital content creation. When it comes to creating digital content, it is essential to know your target audience and understand their needs and interests. Conduct research, analyze data, and engage with your followers to identify the topics most relevant to them. This understanding will help you produce content that is useful, interesting, and truly adds value to your followers. Invest time in creating a strategic plan for your content. Set an editorial calendar to organize your ideas and ensure consistency. Be authentic and show your personality, as this helps to create genuine connections with your audience. Use different content formats such as videos, written posts, infographics, and podcasts to diversify and reach different types of audiences. Interact with your audience regularly and authentically. Respond to followers' comments, messages, and questions, showing interest and care. Promote interaction on your social networks, encouraging discussions and debates. Use digital marketing strategies like search engine optimization, SEO, to extend your reach. Consider collaborating with other content creators to expand your visibility and gain new followers. 6. Consulting or mentoring. Consulting is a professional service offered by specialists in certain areas who provide guidance, solutions, and strategies for specific business problems. Mentoring, on the other hand, is a long-term relationship based on the experience and knowledge of a mentor who shares his experiences and advice for an individual's personal and professional growth. Consulting brings specialization and specific knowledge to solve challenges or optimize processes in a business. Mentoring offers valuable insights based on the mentor's experience, helping to avoid common mistakes and develop essential skills. Both modalities provide an external and unbiased look at complex issues, offering a different perspective and stimulating growth. You can earn a lot by providing consulting or monitoring services in an area that you like. 7. Application or software development. Start with market research to identify needs and trends, clearly define the objectives and functionality of your application or software. Use an agile and iterative approach to development, focusing on usability and user experience. Test and validate your product to ensure its quality before launch, and consider different monetization models such as direct selling, subscriptions, ads, or in-app purchases. Evaluate the feasibility of offering free or freemium versions to attract a larger audience, and also research and study pricing strategies suited to your market and target audience. And so we come to the end of our video on 7 ways to earn $10,000 a month in 2023. Keep in mind that each of these strategies requires effort, dedication, and, in some cases, specific skills. Analyze which options best fit your profile and be willing to seek knowledge and persist in your journey. If you liked the video, leave your like, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. We wish you success in your financial endeavors. To the next